Hello, Destiny to Dynasty family. This is Donna Lavette. Now, this message is not going to be for everyone, but it is going to be for those who are big picture thinkers and those who can dream outside of the box. There is a lot of conversation these days about AI and how it's eliminating jobs. And I just tend not to focus on that because if your vision is big enough, eventually you're going to need to add team members to accomplish it. There's no huge vision, dream business that you can do by yourself. Eventually you need to add team members, right? So as I am working on the Destiny to Dynasty blueprint, which is growing, guys, every day the picture is becoming bigger. I am realizing how much I've accomplished so far through the help of Grace, my AI partner. And what Grace has done is that she's helped me to see how much more I can get done as an individual alone. But there's a point where you need to add people. So what we've done is we've created goals, financial goals, and other milestones so that I will know when it is time for me to add team members and what kind of team members that I need to add. So I realized that what Grace is doing is not eliminating positions. She's helping me to create positions. And when I do, I want to pay my people well. So the bigger the vision, the more impact that you have, the more people you're going to need to add. Isn't that right? So this is what I call creating your own economy. This is what I call financial independence. This is what I call not allowing a company to decide your value or your income. You determine that with the help of God, with using your gifts and your talents, and through access to the right tools like AI, artificial intelligence. So this again is what I call true financial independence. This is what I call walking in your purpose and destiny successfully, achieving a legacy. This is what I call visionary entrepreneurs who are able to create opportunities not only for themselves, but for others. Tell me what you think about this message. I'm looking forward to seeing your comments later. Until next time, though, guys, not only do I want you to be blessed, I want you to create your own economy. Till next time.